In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a table in Notion. We'll walk through the process from setting up the table all the way to uploading your image into a table entry. This is a really useful feature if you want to organize product photos, project assets, inspiration boards, documents, or any visual references directly inside your Notion database. To get started, go to your Notion page where you want to create the table. You can use an existing page or a blank one, depending on how you want to organize your workspace. Once you're on the page, click anywhere in the content area and type a / followed by table view. This opens Notion's block and database options so you can quickly insert the right kind of layout. When you see the option appear, click on table view. This will create a table database on the page, which is exactly what you need if you want to store rows of information along with images. Now that the table is in place, look for the option that says Add Property and click on it. In Notion, a property is basically a column type, and this is where you define what kind of information each column will hold. Since you want to add images, choose Files and Media. This property type allows you to upload files directly into your table, including image files. After that, click on New Page to create a new row in the table. In Notion databases, each row is treated like its own page, which means you can store both quick information in the table and more detailed content inside the row itself if needed. Next, go to the empty cell in the Files and Media column for that new row and click in that space. This tells Notion you want to attach a file to that specific entry. You should now see the option to choose a file. Click that and your device's file picker will open. From there, select the image you want to upload from your device. Once you choose the file, Notion will attach it to that row in the table. Depending on your internet speed and file size, it may take a moment to upload, so give it a second if needed. And that's it. Your image is now added to your Notion table. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other rows to build a clean visual database. A helpful tip is to give each row a clear title so your images stay easy to identify later. This makes your table much more organized and easier to scan.